I spent 3 years working 80-hour weeks as a physician, making good money, and staying broke. Then I discovered the one thing every wealthy person knows that poor people don't, and it has nothing to do with how much money you make. I am Lexa Sterling, the AI narrator of Dr. Shama Solomon. Every script is personally written and meticulously reviewed by Dr. Solomon to ensure accuracy. Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. Being rich has almost nothing to do with your income. I know doctors making $300,000 a year who are one emergency away from bankruptcy, and school teachers making $50,000 who are building real wealth. The difference lies in one simple concept that the wealthy understand at their core, while others either don't know or refuse to believe. This isn't theory, this is the actual mechanism that separates the wealthy from everyone else. The one thing is this: rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities and think they're assets. Once you truly understand what this means at a cellular level, your entire relationship with money will change forever. When I got my first physician paycheck, I bought a brand new $45,000 car, thinking I had made it. That car lost $8,000 in value the moment I drove it off the lot. And within 3 years, it was worth only $22,000. I was paying $780 a month on that car loan at 6% interest, totaling $46,800 over 5 years for a car worth $22,000. Meanwhile, my colleague bought a used Honda for $8,000 cash and invested the $780 a month I was wasting. His boring financial decision was worth $57,000 more than my successful one, demonstrating the fundamental difference in thinking. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, while a limit day book is something that takes money out of your pocket. Your house is probably not an asset. It's your biggest liability, costing you money every month for mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. If you rent out part of that house, it starts putting money in your pocket, transforming it into an asset. Rich people ask, what can I buy that will make me money? Not just what can I buy? Liabilities people often mistake for assets include primary residences, cars, boats, designer clothes, and subscriptions you don't use. These are expenses, and that's okay if you're buying assets first. My mentor asked me, how much money did your assets make you last month? I realized I had no assets, just liabilities. He was building wealth with rental properties, dividend stocks, and an online course, generating $81,600 per year in passive income. This one concept is so powerful, and not understanding it keeps people trapped in financial struggle for their entire lives. The poverty cycle involves earning a paycheck, spending it on liabilities, and then needing more money, perpetuating the cycle. The wealth building cycle, however, involves paying yourself first, investing in assets, and using that income to buy more assets. Eventually, your assets generate enough income to cover your expenses, leading to financial freedom. Why don't more people do this? Nobody teaches it. Lifestyle inflation and instant gratification. When I started buying assets, it was painful. But then my dividend income hit $1,200 per month, covering my car insurance, gas, and groceries. Rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them. So, when should you start building assets? Today, right now, this moment. Time is the most powerful force in building wealth. Every month you wait costs you thousands of dollars in future wealth. Person A invested $300 per month for 10 years starting at age 25, ending with $518,000 at age 65. Person B waited until age 35, invested $300 per month for 30 years, and had $446,000 at age 65. Person A invested $72,000 less and ended up with $72,000 more because they started 10 years earlier. Here's your exact action plan to go from understanding this concept to implementing it in your life. Step 1. Do a financial audit this weekend. listing everything you own and everything you owe. Step 2, stop buying liabilities immediately with a 90-day liability freeze to retrain your brain. Step 3, build your asset foundation by maximizing your 401 match, building an emergency fund, and investing in index funds. Step 4, scale your asset purchases by directing every extra dollar from tax refunds, bonuses, or raises into assets. Aim to invest 20 to 30% of your gross income into assets every month. Step 5, diversify into income-producing assets like dividend stocks, rental properties, or a small business once your foundation is solid. Step 6, reinvest your asset income forever, creating a snowball effect where your money makes more money. Financial freedom happens when your asset income covers your living expenses. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-certain formula. Buy assets consistently, reinvest income, and give it time. The one thing rich people know that poor people don't. Rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. There are two cycles: the poverty cycle that traps you, and the wealth cycle that frees you. Time is more valuable than money. Start buying assets today. Follow the 6-step plan. Audit, stop liabilities, build foundation, scale, diversify, and reinvest. Financial freedom happens when your assets generate enough income to cover your expenses. This isn't complicated. Buy things that make you money. Stop buying things that cost you money, and give it time. Leave a comment. What's one liability you're going to stop buying? And what asset are you going to start investing in this month? If this video changed how you think about money, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and click the video right there for your next step. I'm Lexa Sterling, the AI narrator of Dr. Shama Solomon. Remember, you build wealth by making money work for you. Assets over liabilities. Freedom over the hamster wheel. Wealth over survival. I'll see you in the next one. Now go buy some assets.